the national coaches don't really help the teams when there's derbies involved. And it was quite interesting for me as well to see in such a big week they bring in the Springbok coaches to come and help the Bulls. But by saying that, doesn't matter who coaches the team, North South derby, the players will be up for it. They'll come out guns blazing for each other just to get the win at the end. But like I mentioned, it was a quite an interesting thing that I've read as well. It's quite a tough question. I can't say whether they will have an unfair advantage or a fair advantage. I can't say. Like I said earlier, I just found it very interesting that they're helping the Bulls in such a big game for this coming week. But yeah, that's all I can say. They do come to us at times, but not when it's local derbies. When we play Leicester Tigers or Harlequins, whoever, I'll contact Felix, and Felix will assist us with whatever he can give us. Felix will do. He's phenomenal with stuff like that. Don has been at scrubbing sessions. So yeah, when Jacques was here, he used to come to our trainings a lot. But that's obviously out of this window. It's when we play overseas teams.